right, we're one day in after the Derek Chauvin verdict, guilty on all three counts. And today I want to talk to you about the verdict and racial justice. There's been a lot of politicians, media, influential intellectuals, others that are saying this is one small step towards racial justice in America. What does this case have to do with racial justice? I'll submit to you that this case has absolutely nothing to do with racial justice. There's absolutely no evidence that Chauvin murdered George Floyd out of any racial animus, that he was motivated by race, that he was a white supremacist. And you can bet your bippy that in a high-profile case like this, a national case of the century, that they would have combed through every part of Chauvin's social media, his Facebook, his Instagram, his emails, talked to his colleagues to see if he had ever joked about, doing things that would have suggested that he was racist. And so the claim that this case forwards racial justice, I think, is very misleading. This case isn't about racial justice. It just happened to be that Chauvin was white and Floyd was black. It also turns out that one of the other officers who's charged in this case with aiding and abetting murder is black, and he's going to be brought to trial with the other officers in a few months in August. On a personal level, I know Chauvin was married to a lady who was of Hmong descent, that's Asian culture in Southeast Asia. And so that's also inconsistent with this narrative that he's a white supremacist, or he was taking actions based on racial animus or anything that had to do with George Floyd being black. That's my take on this.